Okay, now you have learned input and how to cast the input into integer if you want to perform arithmetic or mathematical operation on this input. But we have a problem here. What if the user doesn't enter integer or number? Let's try. The user enter A. So the exception and our script will stop running. How to handle this error? In Python, there are exception handling or error handling using try block. Try. Okay. Try means try to take input and try to add 2 to the input. And then print the final value, the result. So this try, and just select and press on the tab button. Let's set section as a exception means when anytime a Python found an error, that it will goes into this block. So this is if you want to bring custom message, you just type input. Else means if there is no error, so Python will execute this. And then another one, finally is it doesn't matter if it has error or doesn't has error, it will execute this block. Okay, now if they enter invalid, then it will bring your enter invalid input and goes to end. But if a valid input, final valid, it goes to this block and goes to this block. But if we want to know what is the error, so we just print out the exception. So this is the error and this is the final